right, guys, Steve Stratton here, Redline Emissions Products. Today we are looking at the Filtertherm Inspection Table / cart. So in the DPF cleaning industry, we need to know a few things. During the cleaning process, we need to know what does the filter weigh, number one. Number two, what is the restriction? What is the flow reading? Number three, are there any visible cracks? We're going to use a light detection for that. And then number four, does it have hard-ass centering? Does it have hard packing? What's inside the filter? We're going to use the wire test for that, or pin drop test, some people call it. Filtertherm's inspection table puts all that in one package. We have an auto-calibrating scale, a digital display. We have the flow chamber, which operates on the industry standard flow rates. And we have conveniently located the wire test rods for the pin drop, all in one small, compact package.